Hey, Lazy Girl Approved fam. I am back today with another wig review. This one is a little bit different than what I normally do. It is a Paula Young wig and it is not like a special color, but I wanted to start trying different ones again. Kind of broadening my horizons, right? This one is Paula Young A1136 Shannon-A, color 56/60A, number 1B. So it's got dark roots. This is backwards, so it's not as helpful, but you know, I'm recording with that side of the camera, so let's get her out and see what she looks like. This wig that I have on, this lovely lady, is Dawn, and you can get it on my site, lazygirlapproved.com. Dawn also happens to be my name, and this was my work wig for a year. I absolutely loved her. I literally had people comment to other people about how nice my hair looks and that I must take so much time to actually do my hair. So, go get her. But let's get this one out and see what she looks like. All right, so she's like a super cute blonde with, looks like there's some browns in there, yeah. So it's like a platinum ash with a dark root. A 1B. It says 1B, but that looks a little 4 maybe. Here's the Here's the inside of the cap. There are no combs. It is an open cap, open wefts. There are no combs, but there are these elastic adjusters. And I got her for $59.99. Her stats are she's heat friendly VersaFiber, so you can curl her up to 350 Fahrenheit. They say the measurements are front 4.5 inches, top and crown 11.5 inches, sides 7.5 inches, 10 inches, upper back, and the nape 5.5 inches, and it weighs 4.1 ounces. So let me get a wig cap on and I will put her on my head and show you what she looks like. All right, I've got my wig grip cap on. You can get these on my site as well, lazygirlapproved.com. I prefer a wig grip cap over a wig grip band because I have nothing back here to like for it to hang on to, and I have a small head. It just always creeps back and falls off basically. But with a wig grip cap, it doesn't do that. So this is what I prefer. And you don't have to get one from me, but I do have them on my site. So, all right. Oh, I forgot to shake her, huh? I forget that with these type of wigs, they say shake it to activate the fibers. You don't necessarily want to do that with some of the other wigs, the brands that I usually use, like Bobby Boss and Outre and what have you. It's not the same type of fibers. And I will say these type of wigs, I feel like they always shed. Just like regular hair, but you know, they're a little bit more of shedders. Shedders. Let me put it back on my head. And I do have some products I can use if need be, because I do find that with these type of wigs, I usually want to do something with them. Okay, I love her. The last couple that I tried from Paula Young, again, I tried them when I was new to wigs, new-ish, and I was super disappointed. And I think it's mostly because I just didn't pick the right thing for me, right? She's stinking cute. Like, I don't think I need to do anything to her. Oh, man. Like, this looks like my hair. Um, super cute. Super cute. Now, it's not a lace front. I knew that. So, I like that the bang is kind of doing what it's supposed to do. And I've got it pulled back at my hairline. So I don't, I won't have to cut it or do anything because this is how I want the bang to be. I don't want it, it's not made to be straight in your face. It's made to kind of swoop to the side. So I'm digging it. I'm digging it. She's dumb cute. So this is one of the things I've learned. I only like it when it has a root. When there is a root, a dark root, and then a lighter color, even if that lighter color is like brown, like a dark brown, just for it to have contrast. That's what I like. I just feel like it looks more realistic, first of all. Second of all, I like contrast. So This is definitely worth 60 bucks. Like I could see me wearing this everywhere. I love it. I do not have these for sale on my website. I got it from Paula Young. So it does have the permatease fibers right here where it feels like, you know, I'm like, it feels like whiskers or like when your leg hair grows out a while and that's what it feels like. I don't like that feel. And sometimes I don't like it on the wig because it makes it bump up, but this is not, it doesn't affect it at all. I kind of like it. I do feel the bump out here, so the permatease under there, which is good. It bumps it out in the right place, right? And me and blondes is like a love-hate and a 50-50 whether it's gonna look good on me. I like this color on me. I do. Now if I put some bright red lipstick on, it'd be amazing, right? Okay, let's see. Big head friendly. These are not usually, no, they're not. They're not really made to be big head friendly. I feel like this brand, they do have larger cap sizes, but you have to like look at the details and see. This is not, you're not going to get a big head in here comfortably. There's tiny bit of room, but it's not going to be comfortable because it's a little bit tight circumference wise right now on me. So yeah, let me give you guys a 360. She's super soft and the density is like, it's really light. It's realistic. We'll see what it looks like in the back. I have my ponytail in still. I'll probably take that out because it usually makes the cap show more when you have like a bumped out just one spot. So let me take my ponytail out and then we'll do a 360 and see what it looks like in the back. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red light. Okay, that was the 360. I looked at it and I did not see the wig cap in the back, so that's good because it's a light density, but it's not showing through. So that's awesome. That's really like the goal, I think, of most people wearing wigs is to try to make it look realistic, you know. Yeah. And the upside to these wigs, some of them, some Paula Young do have, I think they do have some lace fronts, but the upside to this is there's nothing to cut. You literally put it on your head and walk out the door. It's super light. It's realistic looking. Like this looks like it could be my hair that I bleached, right? So I like it. It is not big head friendly. It doesn't require any product. Now, I like this sleek look, but you can like bump it up by using sprays, kind of like the wax spray and things like that if you like more like a voluminous look, right? I personally prefer sleek, so there's that. But you see how easy it is to just uh, change the look with just a little bit of floofing. If you warm your hands up and kind of mess with it with the heat from your hands, will also do it. And it's curlable. So if you want to curl it, curl it. What else, y'all? I already said the measurements. I will have put them up there. Heat safe up to 350. What did it say? So the top to crown is 11.5 inches. So we'll just, it's 11 to 12 inches basically, which is cute. I really didn't know if this was going to make me look like an old lady or not. I don't think it does. I think it looks super cute. It's like a little sassy because of, I think because of this dark root and the light color. I just feel like it's sassy. So, this is a Lazy Girl Approved thumbs up. It was 60 bucks. I feel like this is worth 60 bucks because it literally looks like my hair and it is freaking light. So, this is going to be a go-to summer wig for me for sure because it's already getting hot. It's 82 today Fahrenheit, which is not absolutely horribly hot, but when it was 70 the other day, it's like, oh, come on, guys. I don't want it to be summer yet. So, let me know what you think about this in the comments. Oh, and I forgot, it is a shedder. More than maybe some of the other synthetic wigs that I usually review, but I have found these type of wigs, and I'll just say it, the ones that are marketed towards white women, they tend to shed more in the beginning. Once they've shed whatever they're going to shed, it's usually not too bad, but so you do want to like brush through it to get all those extra hair so you're not shedding when you go out everywhere. So let me know what y'all think about this one. I love it. And I will see you again soon. I have 3 other Paula Youngs to do, so I'm looking forward to them because this is surprising. I like it. All right, thanks guys. Bye, see you soon. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need.